Hi my dear children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. I am Sandhya from Bharatidasa Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 3rd standard maths 3rd lesson. What is the 3rd lesson name, my dears? Yeah, our 3rd lesson name is multiplication. What is the 3rd lesson name? Our 3rd lesson name is multiplication. What does mean by multiplication? Multiplication means that is a repeated addition. What does mean by multiplication? Multiplication means that is a repeated addition. Today we are going to see part 3. So multiplication means that is a repeated addition. Repeated addition. ADDITION. So this is called as addition. So multiplication means that is a repeated addition. Today we are going to see part 3. Today we are going to see part 3. Okay. So today's first topic is multiplying 3-digit number by a single digit number. 3-digit number by a single digit number. So today's our first topic is multiplication of a 3-digit number and by a 1-digit number with a regrouping. So what does mean by with regrouping? When we are doing the sum, if the sum has carry, when we are doing the multiplication problem, if the sum has carry, that is called as with regrouping. If the sum has carry, that is called as with regrouping. CARRY. Okay, if the sum has carry, that is called as with a regrouping. First you will take 216 multiplied by 3. 216 multiplied by 3. First we are going to write the place values. Here we have three numbers, right? So you should write ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. So write ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. So tell me, Nasreen, what is the ones place value? Yeah, here the ones place value is 6 and the 10 place value is 1 and finally the 100 place value is 2. So take and add in the number. Okay, 6, 1, 2 and take multiply by 3. Take multiply by 3. Multiply by 6. So start the table. 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are, yeah, very good, 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15 and 3 sixes are, the answer is 18. So take 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. Here we got 2-digit number. So we are going to write that is ones place and before number is tens place. Ones place and tens place. Now we are going to write ones place under the ones column. Okay, the ones place value is here and take a tens place value. Here the tens place value is 1. So you are going to write a carry place tens. Okay, so 1 you should write here. Next you will take a 3 ones are 3. So 3 ones are 3 and plus 1. 3 plus 1 the answer is 4. So write the answer 4. Next you will take a 3 twos are. 3 twos are means that is 3 times of 2 or 2 times of 3. So the answer is 6. What is the answer? The answer is 6. So finally you will write the answer 648. 648. Next the example is 219 multiplied by 4. 219 is multiplied by 4. So take and write the place value. The first place value is ones, the second place value is tens and the third place value is hundreds. Okay, so now you write the numbers 9, 1, 2 and multiply by 4. Okay, so now you take 4 and multiply by ones place value, tens place value and 100 place value. Multiply by ones place value, tens place value and 100 place value. This is called as multiplicand and this is called as multiplier. We are getting answer is called the product. So the first one will take 4 nines are. What is the answer? 4 nines are, Naveen? Very good. 4 nines are 36. Very good, my dear. So that is 4 times of 9 or 9 times of 4. The answer is 4 nines are 36. 4 nines are 36. This is ones place value and this is tens place value. So ones place value you should write down under the ones column, and tens place value you should be carry over to carry place. Okay. So here write 3. Next you will take a 4 ones are. So what is the answer? 4 ones are. That is 4 times of 1 or 1 times of 4. So 4 ones are is 4. Keep 4 in the mind and 3 in the finger. So 4 after 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. Next you will take 4 twos are. That is very easy for you. 4 twos are 8. 4 times of 2 are 2 times of 4. So the answer is 8. Write the answer 876. Write the answer 876. The topic name is multiplication of a 3-digit number by a single-digit number with regrouping. So with regrouping means if the sum has carry. If the sum has carry, it is called as with regrouping. Next we will see some more examples. So the next one is 107 is multiplied by 6 and another one is 179 is multiplied by 5. So now you take, next we will see 107 is multiplied by 6. Here the table is 6 table. Okay. So you should start with 6 zeros are onwards. 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are. So tell me Nazreen, what is the answer? 6 fours are 24 and 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36 and finally 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. So before writing the table, first we will write the place values and the question. So first one is ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. Here the ones place value is 7, the tens place value is 0 and the hundred place value is 1. Then take a 6. Now we will take a 6 and multiply by 7 and 6 multiply by 0 and 6 multiply by 1. So already you know that 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. So right here 6 sevens are 42. This is ones place value and 4 in tens place value. So tens place value. So first you should write 2 under the ones column. So this is ones place value. So write 2. And the tens place value. Here the tenth place value is 4. So in this 4 you should write a carry place. Okay. So the tenth place carry value. So write here 4. Next you will take a 6 zeros. So what is the answer? 6 zeros are 0. That is 6 times of 0 or 0 times of 6. So 6 zeros are 0. Then 0 plus 4. So the answer is 4. 0 plus 4, the answer is 4. And take a 6 ones are. 6 ones are 6. And write the answer 642. Write the answer 642. Next you will take another example. This is final example. Listen my children. Already you know the 5 table. First you are going to write the place values. The first place value is ones, tens, hundreds. Right. So write ones, tens, hundreds. Here the ones place value is 9, the tenth place value is 7 and the hundred place value is 1. So ones place value is 9, tenth place value is 7 and hundredth place value is 1 and multiply by 5. Multiply by 5. So now we will take 5 and multiply by ones place value and multiply by tenth place value and multiply by hundred place value. So take 5 multiply by 9, 5 multiply by 7, 5 multiply by 1. So 5 nines are 45. 5 nines are 45. So write here 5 nines are 45. So that is 5 times of 9 or 9 times of 5. 5 nines are 45. So here the ones place value is 5 and the tenth place value is 2. Okay. So right here this is ones and this is tens. So the ones place value is 5. So write under the ones column. and the 10th place value is carry value. So write the carry place. So write 4 here. The next one is 5 sevens are. 5 sevens are. What is the answer? 5 sevens are. 5 sevens are 35. That is 5 times of 7 or 7 times of 5. 5 sevens are 35 and 35 plus 4. So the answer is 35 after 36, 37, 38, 39. So the answer is 39. What is the answer? 39. So already you know the 39, 9 should be right under the tens column and 3 should be right carry place, that is carry value. So write carry over to the 100 column. Now you take 5 ones are. What is the answer? 5 ones are. 5 ones are 5 and already they are having the carry is 3. So 5 plus 3, the answer is 8. So finally write the answer 895. 895. So the topic name is multiplication of 3-digit number by single digit number, that is 1-digit number with a regrouping. So the next topic is multiplying a number by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So already you know 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, that are all tens form. Okay. So listen, to multiply a number by 10, 20, 30, 40, we multiply a number by 1, 2, 3, 4. So simply you take 1, 2, 3, 4 and finally in answer itself you should insert 1 0 to the right side of the product. You should insert 1 0 to the right side of the product. The first example is 6 multiplied by 20. 6 multiplied by 20. Now we are going to take a numbers alone. Take 2 and multiply by 6. And finally insert 1 0 to the right side of the product. So the first one is 2 6 are. What is the answer? 2 6 are. That is 2 times of 6 are 6 times of 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12 and finally insert 1 0 to the right side of the product. Finally insert 1 0 to the right side of the product. So write the answer 120. Next I will take one more example. For example 30 multiplied by 70. 30 multiplied by 70. First we are going to take a 7 and multiply by 0, 7 multiply by 3. And finally you should insert 1 0 to the right side of the product. The first one is 7 zeros are. That is 7 times of 0 or 0 times of 7. 7 zeros are 0 and 7 threes are. So 7 threes are means 7 times of 3 are 3 times of 7. The answer is 21. So write 21. And finally insert 1 0. So the answer is 2100. 2100. The topic name is multiplying a number by tens form. So already you know the tens form. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. It will be goes on like up to 90. Next we will see multiplying a number by 100, 200, 300 like that. Okay. So the next one is multiplying a number by 100, 200 and 300. First we will take the number. The question is 5 is multiplied by 200. 5 is multiplied by 200. So take the number and multiply the 5. 2 multiplied by 5 and finally insert 2 0 to the right side of the product. So the answer is 5 2s are 2 5s are. 5 2s are 10 and 2 5s are 10. That is 5 times of 2 or 2 times of 5. So the answer is 10. And insert how many zeros? So multiply by 100 means we have 2 zeros. So insert 2 zeros to the right side of the product. So the final answer is 1000. What is the final answer? 1000. Next we will see one more example. The question is 30 multiplied by 600. 30 multiplied by 600. Now we will take a 6 and multiply by 0. 6 multiplied by 3. So the first one is 6 zeros are. What is the answer? 6 zeros are. That is 6 times of 0 or 0 times of 6. 6 zeros are 0. Next you will take 6 threes are. 6 threes are 80. And finally insert 2 zeros to the right side of the product. 2 zeros to the right side of the product. So the final answer is 18,000. What is the final answer? The final answer is 18,000. So the topic name is multiplying a number by 100, 200, 300 up to 900. First you are going to take a number alone 1, 2, 3, 4 and finally you should insert the zeros. So totally here we have two zeros. So you should insert 2 zeros to the right side of the product. Next I will tell you one important thing. Listen. So a number multiplied by 10 or 100. A number multiplied by 10 or 100. So for example the question 30 multiplied by 10. So this is important note. So a number multiplied by 10 or 100. A number multiplied by 10 or 100. First you are going to write the question. So what is the question we have? So in this left side we have the question is 30 and simply you should insert 10 to the right side of the product. So the answer is 300. The answer is 300. Next I will take the example of multiply by 100. So the question 20 multiplied by 600. 20 multiplied by 600. 20 multiplied by 600. So first you will take 6 zeros are 0 and 6 twos are 12 and then finally you should insert 2 zeros. Okay. So this is multiplied by 600. I will take a number multiplied by 100. A number multiplied by 100. So for example take 50 multiplied by 100. 50 multiplied by 100. First you will write left side number, that is question. The question is 50 and then insert how many zeros? Here we have 2 zeros, so you should insert 2 zeros here. Okay, so the final answer is 5,000. The final answer is 5,000. So listen my children, when a number is multiplied by 10 or 100, 10 and 100, first you are going to write the question and then insert 1 zero. So that is multiplication by 10. So 2 zeros means multiply by 100. Thank you. So in this section you have learned multiplication of 3-digit number by single-digit number and then multiplying a number by 10, 100. I hope everyone enjoyed this section. In this below description we have attached study material, question bank and assessment work. So my dear students, do the assessment work. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.